come back, was the last thing she said. Blessings, blessings, oh, blessings, 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 oh.
Yeah, sure.
I like the FaceTime business. Hey, you ready?
Yeah, we are going through the door now. Mommy, you ready?
Yes, I know, Charles.
Yes, Sharlene call me.
Yes, you always on Jamaican time, like.
I was ready before making an Xavier, but no.
All right, Charlie, we are come now.
You are coming now because
So, on the road to Zara Recital, Mommy is here too. As Mommy said, when she was in Jamaica, and we get all the news them, we thought she would have been in here in a wheelchair. But now she's not in a wheelchair. So what you say to that, Mommy?
oh, God be the glory.
Okay.
Hallelujah.
The TV is happy.
So how are you feeling today, Mom?
I'm thinking that I'm taking medication, I'm checking my pressure. I'm on top of things. In Jamaica, I was so busy that I didn't check my pressure
Okay, so you don't feel any signs of weakness or anything, right?
No, it's just that I mentioned about the signs that I fell. And today when I was putting on the clothes, I know that the order didn't get given the IV right in this section, but that's a bit different. The section dark.
Yeah, that's because they probably took a lot of blood that day.
Yeah.
But I look at it when we stop.
Okay.
When we got to the dance recital, we didn't realize that there would be so many people. So it took us a while to get to our pre-booked seat. And the show started as soon as we got settled in.
Thank you.
Sharlene is in the middle over there? Alright. After the dance recital, we thought it was a great time to go by my friend Brad to have the car AC regassed. Okay, so we're bridging the back. Yeah, I want to help me regas the AC. You know, some can do the AC, but them people, them need them AC, you know?
Not you trying to act like you doing something.
You walk like you have sense, brother.
No one, no way.
Oh my. Can't say everybody want to game no more. You see.
How fast him start move?
Yeah, I have something for you, yeah? No fun for your side weekend.
What? I that reaching out, you know, I work.
Every time I don't want this, I don't want that. But one of the forget it. One of the. Huh?
Large. I think we pick up money. One word of respect. You know, come free. It work.
There goes Brad with a valuable life lesson. Him love car. He might end up learning, my feet say I learn, man, 'cause I love car. Even though upon the game, even when we get older.
Get up what I do, man. What is going on, man? Clean up your clothes. Brush off your backside.
That's good, Sammy, at least. Since you like...
Remember Mohammed?
Yeah? Since you like cars, you're learning to do this. This is a good thing. When you get your own car, you can do it.
Father, one more than
Me if you tell them what to do. They want to tell me what to do.
Please. Okay?
Yeah, tell her a bad word.
And as soon as you start talking to them on the phone, you have the opportunity to have
Right,
the phone.
you know what was the worst thing?
Yeah.
Me not doing 8 to 5, 9 to 5 job. And there was a rule said my phone must I was taken from me from 8 o'clock.
So what's wrong with that?
There's a ministry person who let me get message and me have to operate.
Mommy, the message you can wait till tomorrow.
Let me and me have decide my time and some people say 8 to 5. Me have a time when me want start from me wake up 3 o'clock in the morning. If me wake up at 8 like what them say, no problem. But me want to wait for use my phone. And me are 70 and my grandson are 7 and me come tell me say, Grandma, it's time for you to give me the phone. Because I know.
Me shout it then. Thanks.
Somebody that call you.
Later that night.
After that long day today, starting with Zara's dance recital, then linking up with Brad to get the AC regas, I'm back on the road again. But this time around, it's for a little party run at my mechanic brethren ends. I'm going to link up with GT Youth, and then after that link up with Chucky B and go take on the party. I just say go, life of an artist. Things come up and sometimes you have to just roll with the punches and work with it. Look like me, I pick it up this up.
Yo.
Yeah, GT, man. In the parking lot.
Yeah, give me a few, right? Yeah, come in there.
Alright, cool. So I just picked up GT and now we're on our way to the party.
This one? Yeah.
In a quarter mile, merge onto Maryland 108 East, Old Annapolis Road.
Yeah. And GT in that place, yeah? Bang. See what going at the party. I don't think Monster reach yet, but I'll just see what going. As me talk about Monster, the man pull up. Like him hear me call him name or something. Stinker.
Then Lena. GT, what going?
Good. What going? Yeah, man. Go try.
I like too much mix up, too much passa. One thing as a selector. If you love it, allow me one time. Allow me if you want to. DJ Earl vibes are tricky now. Alongside DJ Little. Bagaman talk, man talk we now work with that. This Bagaman talk, man talk we now. Level me. Boy, you want to can't slap gal. You me want to slap gal. Everyone want to slap gal. But I have to look up gal. Go from me to slap gal. Come out and be like gal. Yo, so, damn it, so. Just look up a fat gal. Look out to this a hot gal. One me a big black gal. Who let's say if I go hot gal. Every man or woman see that gal. Choose that. Level me. You show me talk on me no like I will. I'm the girl in fire. So me like the girl in fire. So me the girl in fire. They me the girl in fire. They think you the girl in fire. Will I be the girl in fire?
Fast you see me I say, Monster twin, chick. Yo, all of the people them, yo, hurry up and come back. Was the last last thing she pull up. Yo, as me say, big up everybody in the place, you know, a pass where I pass, you see me I say. Big up try the whole team, you see me I say. Drop back that for me. Everybody who lost someone and missed someone, put some hand in the air now, man, cause it's serious. You know what I'm saying? Cry. Yo, more everybody pay that to sing with. Yo, so everybody sing, hurry up and come back. Was the last thing she said to her son. The days like forsaken. She didn't know he would have come back. Died from the bullet. Let me see if me out here now. Oh, out here now. Everybody, yo. She said again, Lord help me. And then she looked